Viewers, though, these batteries are recovered quite well. I had for 2 amp hours in them, that's good. I carefully sealed them up back up with hot snot just for testing purposes. I redid this one and checked it and resealed it. It actually came out quite well. So one of them was a complete dud, added a lot. Also got to repair this speaker. Sounds like a voice coil problem, which is a shame because it's got a nice big magnet on it. Speakers, like small speakers, oversized magnets, are usually pretty good quality and power rated. This is only a 40 watt rated speaker. I'm going to carefully take this apart and get to the voice coil. See if I can try and fix it. That sounds like a voice coil unravel. This would have been a perfect Bluetooth speaker candidate. I could fit batteries in there and everything and put a little circuit in there, make it a Bluetooth speaker. This is actually a clone of one of those Sony speakers. The shape reminds me of one of those Sony speakers FF Cossack did a teardown on. A rare type of speaker. Looks like a clone of one of those. But I'm going to carefully cut this open and get it all apart and fix it. See how bad the voice coil is. Hopefully it's not too bad. It's quite a nice unique speaker. A nice looking little speaker. I like small unusual speakers, especially when they've got large magnets on them. Oh, that foam's a bit... That's not too bad, it hasn't rotten. I've got to cut around here. Cut all this off carefully. Yeah, look at this. What a bugger. It's got right inside there and come out and jammed up like that. 40 watts, I only played this thing hard and that was at 10 watts of maximum power through this 40 watt rated speaker. And I did this at 10 watts of power driving it. It's obviously a Chinese fake. It's a shame, it was such a nice little speaker. It had a nice big magnet on it. This was a bloody damn good speaker for what it was. What a shame. Such a nice little speaker. Sadly, it's air world. That's too damaged to get that to rewind and fix up. That's too damaged to fix. Oh, what a bugger. What a bug. Was such a nice speaker too. Max 40 watt, nominal 20 watts. Well, it's obviously not going to take 20 watts. And did that at 10 watts of power, been driving it most of its life, so it's obviously a Chinese speaker. Obviously a clone of those Sony metal ones. The whole voice coil was come undone off the cone, off the actual cardboard. I don't know how I'm going to fix that. It'd be a challenge to get that right. If I do manage to get it re-raveled and then I could varnish it and set it back in place, I might be able to fix it, but getting that coil perfect again might be a bit of a challenge without damaging it. It's just too far damaged, unfortunately. Too far damaged. How that unraveled like that, it's gotten pulled from the top and it's just come out of the other side. That's not possible to fix, the way it's unraveled. That's 6 volts and burn it out, I think. Give it a decent end. Buggered, unfortunately. Let's finish it off. It's a shame. Would have been a nice repair. But it's just unraveled too complicated. It's creased the coil so bad I'm not going to fix that. It's a shame, it's such a nice little speaker. There we go, time to kill it. Getting a bit warm. Yep, you can smell it. That familiar speaker blow smell. 6 volt fully charged under 4 ohms. Nice and hot now. Yeah, it's buggered. Let's just snip those leads off. I've got some magnet wire to rewind this actually. I wonder if I can rewind this. Just as an experiment. Wind my own coil on there. I've got to calculate how to get it back to 4 ohms though. That'd be a fun project. Rewinding this voice coil just to see how, for a bit of an experiment. Oh well, I'll make a good passive radiator now. There's no glue on that at all. I think that's how it failed. The glue must have failed on it. That's probably why the voice coil came unravelled. The glue holding it doesn't look like there was much on there at all. So must be, it explains why it failed, because the voice coil wasn't cooked. It looks fine, not discoloured. It explains why it came unravelled. The wasn't sufficient coating on it to hold it onto the cardboard tube there. Looks like it's a dual coil, it's wound on top of each other. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.